Hmm, there's not much snow a month. Usually there is more snow and it's raining outside. Guys, guess what? I still have my cell tap on me. For people who don't know, past several summers, every day in past some summers, I wear my sandals. Unless if our concern, you have to wear tennis shoes, boots, something like that, or to wear yeah. If and also that's good. I hot day, yeah. And also I can't wait for this this trip because I'm going to horn. I will record. I will upload during that time. I'm not sure because hotel you're going to. I'm not sure I will access or able to access internet or not. I'm not sure, but I hope so, but I'm not sure. See you guys there. Bye. Be sure and like and subscribe if you did. See you guys there. Bye.